Morning, YouTubies. How's it going? All right, this morning I'm having a Best Choice Chewy granola bar. I'm gonna have the oatmeal raisin. I think my mom got these at. I think she got them at Country Mart. I was gonna say Ollie's, but I think it's Country Mart where she got them. But anyway, they're the Best Choice, and they're Chewy is the brand. So, thumbnail. I don't know why I always feel like the need to say thumbnail in a little squawky voice. Don't ask, I don't know. How you guys doing? Good, I hope. It is gorgeous today. Not a single cloud in sight. It's like, yes. And oh my God, the amount of robins I seen yesterday, like holy frick. I seriously have never seen so many. Where's the button? Oh, right in front of me. Duh. I've never seen so many robins in my entire life. Not even joking. I seriously wish I got a video of it, at least a couple hundred just in our neighborhood, like within a block from our house. Not even joking. Like, wow. I have never seen so many robins, like everywhere, which is cool because robins have always been my little indicator that, hey, it's spring, or at least spring is like right around the corner. So I'm thinking spring's definitely here then, since they're all like congregating in basically our neighborhood. Okay, go ahead and broke it in half. Okay, so I got oatmeal. What's that? Got a little I don't know what that is. Little nuggets in there. I guess it's like brown sugar or something. We got raisins in there, just a few though. Doesn't have a whole lot, doesn't look like. Ooh, that's good. Oh, I can taste the cinnamon. Like a little cinnamon nugget. Oh, that was really good. Granola bar's trying to get away from me. Wow. I'm gonna have to have Mom pick some more of these up for us. They're good. I'm losing it. Yeah, I cannot believe this weather. Like, I actually made my mom mad the other night. Like, really mad. Wasn't intentional. But, okay, let me stop chewing for a minute so I can actually talk. Otherwise, I can't talk and chew on that chewy stuff right now. I get a quick drink. Got almond milk again. Vanilla almond milk. Yeah. Yeah, I actually made my mom mad the other night. I guess she's seen the news or something. I don't know where she got this information for sure. But she got the idea that it was going to snow the next morning. Like a couple inches, I guess. And because their car doesn't get around good in snow, she was all worried about it. I mean, like fretting over it. It's like, Mom, every time you tell me that you've seen the news says it's going to snow the next morning or by morning, usually it's nothing or just a little dusting. So you're worrying over nothing. And it's true, she was seriously worrying over nothing. It hadn't come to pass yet that there's that great amount of snow to fret over. Why worry about something when it's not happened yet? You know what? You see what I'm saying? So that's what I was trying to get across to her in a polite sort of way. Because she does this every time. She frets over it and she gets her blood pressure up and everything. And it's not healthy for her to be worrying over something that's not worth worrying over unless it's something that's not worth worrying over something that hasn't happened yet. Now, I will admit I worry about some stuff, particularly with medical stuff like Anthony, like I worry because of his breathing issue and his blood pressure issue. That's medically related because he's actually having the issues and could easily pass out and or die because of such issues. To me, that's something important to worry about, more so than just that it might snow. And usually it's just a dusting or nothing. So I was trying to get across to her that, don't worry about it until you wake up in the morning and see if it's actually snowed. Then, because she had a doctor's appointment the next morning. It was part of what the issue was. Well, all of a sudden, she got mad. She slammed her plate back at me and got up violently from the table and goes, well, I guess we'll just die in the morning. And then head to the bathroom so she'd get her gown on so she'd go to bed. And as she was leaving, I hate to say it, but I told her, wow, drama queen much? So I'm sure that didn't help any. But unlike my dad, I didn't continue keeping the argument going. I just, even though I wanted to say more, but unlike Dad, he would actually keep the argument going and going because he just can't let anything go. Me, I said, all that, and I said the drama queen much. I just dropped it there. I just finished eating my food and I went to bed. I used to be like Dad when I was younger, when I first met Anthony. I didn't realize I was so much like Dad back then until Anthony started pointing stuff out of how I was a lot like my dad, which I don't want to be anything like my dad. No offense. Well, okay, yeah. I'm not even going to say no offense because he's offensive. But anyway, I used to be like my dad when him and I first got married. And I, too, wouldn't let things go when there was an argument. I'd just keep going and going and going and going. But once I learned that I was being like him, I've since then worked very hard to change my ways. So, but I couldn't believe her getting mad at something that hasn't even. She's a worrywart. I swear, my mom and dad, if we get ready to go out, just go to Walmart. There's like maybe less than 5 miles away from home. And it was getting ready to rain. Oh, it's going to rain. You better be careful. You sure you want to get out? Really? Rain? You're going to worry about rain? There's windshield wipers for that. All kinds of stuff. They worry about everything. They are seriously worrywarts. That's all they do is worry, 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 worry. That's another thing that I used to be like my parents. And since I've learned that I do that, I try not to worry about anything unless it's like something important, like I said, medical stuff, particularly pertaining to Anthony or even my own health issues. I try not to worry. But, you know, there's sometimes on some things you just can't help it when it's more serious. But rain? Snow? Come on. So she actually didn't talk to me for 2 days because of that. She has never done that to me. I don't know if she does that with Dad or something. Because I don't stick around when they're fighting unless Dad gets out of hand and is just like nagging at Mom non-stop and won't shut up. Then I get involved. But nonetheless, I've never seen her storm out of a room like that. Like, okay. And ironically, the next morning, got up, there's no snow. Didn't have any snow the entire day. I was right. Of course, I'm not going to say that to her because I don't want to egg things on more. That's not right to do either. So I just left it as is and just this morning said good morning to her. And we talked a little bit. Small talk. As I was heading out the door, trying to smooth things over with her a little bit. Couldn't believe that though. That just blew my mind. Basically 77 years old and acting like a 2-year-old. But then again, because I've seen her do that, almost made me wonder if maybe I don't know, this dropping granola bar everywhere. It's like just falling apart. But I don't know the actual signs of dementia, but I almost wonder if maybe she has a little bit of dementia. I've never seen her act like that. Okay, this granola bar is good, but is literally falling apart. Just fall apart some more. Jeez. It is really good though, as far as flavor. But not good because it's falling apart. Oh, the little morning does. Oh, I don't know if I could actually get my camera probably wouldn't zoom in enough. But little morning doves over there on the ledge again. Let's see if I can. Oh, here. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know if you can actually see them or not, but they're like. Oh, where's my. Ah, there it is. Couldn't find my finger. Like right there. One of them is right there. Like the other one took off. Oh, adorable. Okay, I'm back. They're so cute. I love morning doves. They're just adorable. Granola bar all over the car now at this rate. I need to get out here when I get a chance. I have a little hand vac. I need to get out here and do a little bit of detailing on the car, get it cleaned up. Oh, they're doing the little kissy thing. That makes me happy, seeing them. I almost wonder if they have a nest in that tree. But I don't know. I have to look up and see what kind of birdseed they like, if any. I know some birds prefer bugs and stuff like that. But see if they like any particular kind of birdseed and maybe start bringing some occasionally. Spoil them occasionally. Definitely gonna have to get some more of these. If you get them, just be warned, they're a little bit crumbly. But they're not crumbly in a dry sort of way. They're crumbly in a moist sort of way. Oh. They're just so adorable though. Man, I wasn't expecting these to be this good. It's got that cinnamon flavor, the oatmeal flavor. Got a hint of raisins, not very much raisins. So if you don't like raisins, it barely has any raisins at all. You don't even taste them when eating the granola bar. Really good. I would seriously, highly recommend, well, this brand in particular, but especially that oatmeal raisin. Makes for a good little breakfast when you're in a hurry and stuff. I wanted a smaller jar, but there weren't any small jars underneath the cabinet. So, dang it. Yum. Alright, I think I'm going to get ready to scoot. If you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. I'll catch you guys again later. Bye-bye.